G'day, welcome to part 3 of building a school absence line using Occamise. So in the last video I added a telephone line. In this video I'm going to add a SMS channel, and that's going to sort of be enough channels, I think, for the parent to be logging their students, or children I should say, as absent. Alright, so let's add that channel and go from there. So absence line SMS, it's going to be an SMS channel, same agent and same phone number. All right, so let's go into the configuration of it. As with all of our channels, we can provide a little bit of context about who the person is having that conversation. So I'm going to paste in one that I prepared earlier. So you can just basically see it's describing who the person is, and it's also giving this little extra request for the agent to be very concise because it is over SMS. So let's save that. I'm going to send an SMS in, and we should have a similar experience as we had over the phone, except this time it's just going to be a conversational SMS. So I'll just log, say my child William is sick for tomorrow. I'll just say William will be sick all day tomorrow. Kind of just when you're testing these things, you know, you got to, well, if I was to test this properly, I'd be going and sort of imagining all the different ways that these parents would interact with this system and try and break it. Pretty obvious stuff, really. Got it. William will be marked as sick all day tomorrow, Friday, 12th of June, 2024. Any additional notes you'd like to include? Been having headaches, don't need to say this, so taking to doctor. Great, so you can see that absence has been successfully logged and accurately logged as the 12th, and for my son William having headaches, so taking to the doctor is the note. So that's all perfect. And what we can do as well, like we did in that first test over the phone, is we'll put both boys as being away for a holiday. Taking a holiday during school time would be weird, but we'll just go with it. And I'll just put 18th to 20 August. Maybe it's like an extra long weekend for them or something like that. So I guess it's probably a valid scenario. Seeing grandma, why not? Seeing grandma. So yeah, 18th of August to the 20th of August. Correct children. Our little AirTable automation ran, and so on. So we got all this working. The note seeing grandma. Okay, cool. So, I mean, this parent can come back and continue this conversation. And the logical thing for us to do next with a solution like this is, I'm not going to do it in this video. This is really all I wanted to do on this video. But what we can logically do from here is also allow the parent over the phone or over SMS to potentially make amendments to previous leave or absence information. Like, so let's say, actually, he's not going to be sick tomorrow. I've changed my mind. I'm going to send him to school. And so we need to get rid of this one. So I can certainly build that, and I probably will. I don't know whether I'll record it as a video though. But I'm going to go ahead and probably after this video, I'm going to go and make this as robust a solution as possible. And then I might do a fourth video where I just sort of show you all the way that it works now and all the different things that I had to consider in building like the ultimate solution that I could probably quite easily sell to a school. All right, so hopefully that gives you a little bit of insight into how easy it is to do things in Occamise. We have all these channel types. We support natively. Voice, we support 11 Labs and Amazon Poly, so lots of different voice options there. We do have tables ourselves. I'm not using them for this particular scenario because our tables are quite one-dimensional. We don't really have table linking and all that sort of stuff yet. And whether we would go that far, I don't think we would. But hopefully that's been interesting, and check out more of my videos. Cheers.